How to fix Instagram can't upload video on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't upload video on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find your apps, then click apps again. Type here Instagram, click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and here just go back, go to permissions, make sure all of those are enabled. This one is for Android users, and if you have an iPhone, just turn off your Wi-Fi, then close Instagram and all the applications in the background and restart your phone, open it again and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now make sure Instagram is updated, and if you can't find an update here, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.